I know you like this. When shit don't go your way, you needed me to fix it, yeah. And like me, I did, but I ran out of every reason. Now suddenly you're asking for it back. Could you tell me where'd you get the nerve? Yeah, you can say you miss all that we had, but I don't really care how bad it hurts when you broke me first. You broke me first. Took a while, was in denial when I first heard that you moved on quicker than I could have ever, you know that hurt. Swear for a while, I was there on my phone just to see your name, but now that it's there, I don't really know what to say.